ano ba? Saan ba ikaw? It's a bit, Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing yet again another review video, and yes, another lipstick review. Hindi ko pa kasi ito na-review. Ang tagal ko nang nabili to, you guys. Nung first time kami pumunta sa SM Seaside, I actually vlogged that day. This is the Essence Long Lasting Lipstick. I have mine in the shade 06 Barely There. 150 lang siya. It was on sale when I got it. I'm not really sure how much yung original price niya. But yeah, nakita ko siya sa display and I was like, that looks really promising. Tapos, at that time, I was on a hunt for nude lipstick as well, so I decided to get this. Nagamit ko na to actually, and I also did vlog that day. Pero nagamit ko siya for like, I think 2 hours lang. Nag-film lang ako ng video wearing this lipstick, and that's it. Hindi ko siya na-test talaga, like, kamain ako, hindi talaga. It's not really like a legit first impression review, but it is still kind of like first impression review. So, this is what the lipstick looks like. Meron siyang E sa lid niya. Symbolizes the brand Essence. Tapos sa bottom, makikita mo yung shade name. And then yung dito naman sa gitna, symbolizes the actual shade, which is really freaking close. Like, look at the shade of the actual lipstick and the thingy right here. So I checked the website for the claims. It says here, the lipsticks provide your lips with intensive color for several hours without drying them out. I have to agree with the intensive color na it says on the claims. It is like not super intense, but you really get the color payoff, and the pigmentation is amazing as well. So I really like that. It does feel really hydrating right now, but we'll see kung ano mangyayari like after kumain and all that jazz. For now, I'm really liking it. I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on my lips. Again, wala akong lip balm. Wow. Super creamy na to, guys. Wala din siyang amoy. Or meron very slight lang na lipstick na amoy. Super like ko the way this lipstick applies. Super creamy. Yung shade niya is nude, obviously. And then sobrang konting hint ng rosy pink. It has glossy finish, as you guys can see. It feels really nice on the lips right now. It glides on amazingly on the lips, so I really like that. It is now 11:11 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. It is now 2:05 ng hapon. I already ate my lunch, tapos uminom na din ako ng tubig. Yung lipstick, you guys, surprisingly, it didn't really fade much. Nag-fade na yung inner corner ng lower lip ko, but hindi siya as in obvious at all. I'm pretty sure it's because of the shade as well, na parang nagbe-blend lang siya sa lips mo. And then my lips feels really hydrated. One thing that you need to consider, as you guys can see, it's very glossy, and alam ko marami sa inyo ang ayaw ng glossy finish na lipstick. Maraming comment sa inyo na hindi nyo bet yung glossy na lipstick sa previous lipstick review na ginawa ko, yung sa Color Mood lipstick from Fashion 21. I'm pretty sure you can get away with it by blotting your lips with tissue paper. I mean, glossy finish is not my favorite either, but it doesn't bother me that much, so okay lang sa akin yung glossy na finish. I seriously do not feel the need to retouch right now because for me, as in nandun naman pa rin talaga yung lipstick and kitang-kita pa rin yung color payoff. I will get back to you guys later for my final update. It is now 9:38 ng gabi. Katatapos ko lang mag-dinner, and you guys, look at my lips. As in, sobrang nandun pa rin yung lipstick. I mean, nag-fade na siya, pero konting-konti lang. Nag-snack ako 2 beses, tapos maraming beses na ako uminom. I did not see the lipstick transfer on the bottle na ininuman ko ng tubig. Hindi ko rin siya nakita na nag-transfer sa kinakain ko. So, that's great! It's still glossy though. I'm really impressed with this lipstick. For 150 pesos lipstick, hindi siya matte at all. And ganito ka long last. Very impressive. Though hindi ko na nafe-feel yung hydrating, moisturizing effect niya sa lips ko now, pero hindi siya drying. So that's still good. I'm just not sure how the other shades will perform, but I really like this shade. I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like if you found the video helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already, and I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, peek it. Bye!